how to copy and paste image on Instagram story on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will look like this. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is you may wanna go here to your story section. So tap on camera. You're now already on your camera, right? Now, first is you have to choose the photo that you want to copy and then paste it here. So first is you may want to try going here to your Safari, and then what you're gonna do is to write or choose the photo that you want to add. So for me, this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna long press that image rather, and then here you'll see copy and copy subject, right? Do not get confused with that, because once you tap on copy there, you will just copy the images link. Now, what you're gonna do is to choose the copy subject and then go here, right? Now, the old version you will see add sticker directly here. And as you can see, you do not have that option. So what you can do is you can go here, type, and then simply tap on paste, and it will now paste the image. So the other way is to your gallery. So let's say you just wanna choose this one, right? This image, you want to paste this image on that story. So what you can do is you can go tap on this share button here and then tap on copy photo. Then go back here to your Instagram and then do the same process again. And as you can see, you have successfully copy and paste image on Instagram story on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.